The Kuki National Front KNF, a suspension of Operation Sioux Group, recently released a statement on November 4, 2024 via social media, opposing the Thadou Convention 2024's declaration that Thadou is not Kuki. In response, the Thadou Community International TCI asserts that the KNF allegation that Thadou is not Kuki is an attempt to divide the community lacks merit. TCI highlights that Kuki organizations are predominantly led by Thadou-speaking individuals who have distanced themselves from the Thadou tribe, associating with the any Kuki tribes, AKT. The AKT was added to the scheduled tribe list in Manipur in 2003 for political reasons. TCI argues that Kuki is not acknowledged by non-Naga tribes in Manipur except for AKT. Further, TCI states that the nation of Kuki as an umbrella organization for kindred tribes has become irrelevant. Tribes like Paite, Waifei, Jau, Simte and others have been identified under the collective term Jomi, which is not a specific tribe. TCI emphasizes that independent tribes should not be subsumed under another particular fabricated one like AKT. TCI refutes the term Kuki Jo used by KNF as ambiguous and not representative of the collective identity of Jomi, Mar and Mizo tribes. TCI argues that Kuki Jo elevates Kuki to a status it does not hold among these tribes. TCI continues to advocate for peace and development for the Thadou community, urging all parties to seek non-violent solutions to the current crisis in Manipur. TCI was established on August 3, 2024 to represent Thadou people globally, including those in Manipur. The organization was formed to protect and preserve the distinct identity, culture, customs, and tradition of the Thadou community. Earlier, in a firm rebuttal, the Thadou INP General Headquarters, the leading organization of the Thadou tribe, strongly condemned the Thadou Community International TCI convention held in Guwahati, dismissing TCI as an unauthorized body lacking the authority to represent the Thadou people. The Thadou INP General Headquarters expressed its disapproval of the resolutions and statements from the TCI convention, labeling them null and void, and criticized the prominent slogan, Thadou is not Kuki, as an emotional outburst driven by a divisive mentality within factions of any Kuki tribe. Chongpu Kipgen, president of the Thadou INP General Headquarters, said that the convention held from October 31st to November 2 was conducted without the knowledge or endorsement of Thadou INP, the legitimate apex body representing the Thadou tribe. Kipgen stressed that TCI does not have any mandate to speak on behalf of the Thadou community, casting doubts on the legitimacy of its resolution. In response to the TCI slogans, Thadou is not Kuki, Kipgen explained that the Thadou community is historically and culturally linked to the broader Kuki identity and such affiliations cannot be easily erased. He said the Thadou identity has deep-rooted ties to the Kuki community, similar to other indigenous groups in Manipur. He suggested that the rejection of the Kuki label could undermine the Thadou tribe's heritage and share history with the other Kuki groups.